In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from all these unwanted emails. If your inbox is overflowing with promotions, newsletters, and notifications you never read, this walkthrough will help you reclaim your attention without missing the messages that matter. Start inside Gmail. Open one of the unwanted emails and look right beside the sender's name. You should see an unsubscribe option. Click it, then confirm when prompted. This action tells that sender to remove you from their mailing list, and it usually takes effect quickly. Keep in mind this only affects that particular list, so you'll want to repeat it for other senders you no longer want to hear from. If you still receive a few messages afterward, that can be normal as the change propagates. Sometimes the unsubscribe option can look suspicious, especially in emails that don't feel trustworthy. If anything seems off, avoid clicking links inside the message. Instead, open the email, click the three dots or the menu in Gmail, and choose Block Sender or Report Spam or Junk. Blocking stops messages from that address from appearing in your inbox, while reporting spam helps Gmail learn to filter similar emails automatically. Using these built-in controls is safer than interacting with shady links and helps train your inbox to keep clutter out over time. To reduce unwanted messages at the source, remove yourself from shopping and newsletter lists you no longer use. A lot of these come from online shopping sites, free downloads, giveaways, old subscriptions you forgot about, and social media notifications. Visit the accounts you recognize and head into their settings. Look for email or notification preferences and turn off categories you don't need, such as marketing emails, promotions, product updates, and general notifications. Saving those changes ensures you're opted out on the sender's side, which prevents future emails rather than just filtering them after they arrive. As you work through a few senders, you'll notice your inbox getting quieter. Use unsubscribe for legitimate lists and switch to block or report spam if a message looks questionable. Then reinforce your progress by adjusting the preferences in the accounts that generate most of your promotions and alerts. This simple combination trims the noise quickly while keeping important messages visible. That's it. Clean, deliberate steps that make a big difference. Thanks for watching and enjoy the calm of a tidier inbox.